Hey everyone, do you have screen doors that just don't work right? Do you have ripped screens? Do you have sliding patio doors that don't roll properly? Closet doors, pocket doors, and the list goes on. Do you have trouble with your windows not operating properly? Or maybe you have foggy or broken glass. Whatever the case is, we got you covered. Any window, any door, any glass, anytime. Call today. And you can also check out our new YouTube channel for more info on tips and tricks of weekly videos that we will be posting for the do-it-yourselfers or the general homeowner who would like more information on the repairs that they may need done in their own home. Thanks.